Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of analytical angle. My name is Pratyay and today we are going to discuss question number 20 of the book Test of Mathematics at the 10+2 level. So the question says A, B, C and D satisfy the equations, and we have 4 equations. We label them as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then the question asks A plus D times B plus C equals, and we have 4 options. So if we take equation number 2, we see that both sides are divisible by 2 and we can write it as 4A plus 2B plus 3C plus D is equal to minus 8. Same thing for equation number 3, we can write it as A plus 3B plus 2C plus 4D is equal to 8. Now if we add these two equations together, we get equation number 2 plus equation number 3, we get 5 times A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 0. Then this implies A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 0. And now if we add equation 1 plus equation number 4, equation 1 plus equation number 4, we get 6A plus 10B plus 10C plus 6D is equal to minus 16. We can divide by 2 on both sides and we get 3A plus 5B plus 5C plus 3D is equal to minus 8 times A plus B plus C plus D plus 2 times B plus C is equal to minus 8, and we since A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 0, we just write 2 times B plus C is equal to minus 8. 2 times B plus C is equal to minus 8, which implies B plus C is equal to minus 4. Now we can write that as A plus within brackets B plus C plus D is equal to 0, which implies A plus D minus 4 is equal to 0, which implies A plus D is equal to 4. Now since the question asks for B plus C times A plus D, it is equal to 4 times minus 4, which is equal to minus 16. Hence the correct answer is option number B, minus 16, and that is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment down below and hit the like button. Thank you.